Yeah, so this is like you're doing the interiors right now. You can select your interiors and say if you select this one and yeah, project on wall, and it will come there. It will come like a box. Yeah, so you can see. So this is how your interiors will look like, and you can also rotate it and see how it will look like in the
back seat.
Yeah, exactly. If you just try and do it, you can do it better. I wasn't able to do.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah, so you can see now. So this is how it will look in the back seat. You know, you can change the interiors and have a look and feel of it. So that's why I was asking. Do you think it's a wow thing, or you know, something which is just like?
It's pretty crazy because now I can see how my black Q7 look with the black rims and the black leather inside. It's awesome. It is.
Okay. So I'll just start with the interview.
Sure.
Just start from the beginning itself. So as I understand, you are looking for various options, and A4 is one option that you're looking for from Audi. And as you already said that it's the look of the car which matters. So I'll just quickly go through the questions once again, and we'll just continue from there. Is it okay with you?
It's okay.
So, as I talked about the customer journey, as in your journey of looking at A4,
Yeah.
I mean, how did you decide on this particular model of A4? What were you looking for? As in, can you just elaborate how you know, what were the touch points? Did you look online? Did you go to various showrooms, or did you talk to various people?
I saw it on the road, yeah, and of course after that I looked at the internet to find out which car it was, the price, which car I could buy from an Audi.
Okay.
And because the Danish price is pretty expensive from this one.
Yeah.
It was the A4.
It was the A4.
Yeah, the taxes is 180%, so it's an A4 in Denmark.
Okay. And I'll quickly understand, you know, did you have any other models in mind, the different brands and everything?
The Q7, as we talked about, but another brand.
Another brand is in maybe some competitor car or something?
The BMW.
The BMW.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is that one particular factor, if I say, which drove you to, you know, look for A4? As you said, you know, what would be the one particular element or factor that you decided, no, let's look for A4 and not other competitors?
That is look so classy. The car is so classy and it's still fast and a young car, but still so classy.
Okay.
It's have it all.
Okay. That's good. And how many dealers did you visit before this one? So this is the first one.
This is the first
How did you come to know about this dealership?
Just passing by.
Just passing by. Okay. And you know, you've looked at various elements here. There's a private lounge, there are video walls you've seen, you're working on the configurator. So how do you think are these enablers for the technology? What do you think about them? What's your view about them?
It maybe could move people because now I can picture the car I'm looking for with the black rims and the stuff I think is on my car.
Yeah.
So
That's good.
It's better than pictures.
And what did you like the most, if I say? What element did you like the most in this particular showroom?
That I can manage the look of my car by myself.
Okay.
That I can touch
play
it.
around.
I can do it.
Yeah. Okay. And so, I mean, you haven't done the purchasing so far. But what do you perceive of the purchasing thing? As in, do you think it will be a convenient thing to do from Audi, or will it be a pretty complicated stuff? Purchasing a car.
I guess it would be a bit complicated in Denmark, but it's fine, I think.
Okay. And how did you like about the service? I mean, did you see that salespeople are trying to sell you the car, or
No.
Okay.
They know from the beginning that we're from Denmark, we're visiting, so
Okay.
they're just kind and like you want to talk.
Okay.
It's
so you can take a look at the cars and
ask for what I want to ask
Okay.
about it. They know I don't want to buy the
at the moment,
X7 or the
yeah.
yeah.
Okay. And if I ask you your particular comments on these aspects,
Yeah.
so what do you think about the technology out here on the scale of 1 to 5? What would you give to technology? So 5 is the highest and 1 is the lowest.
Now I would give it 5. This was the last thing that really did it. So
And
it's a
the-
5. It's a
okay.
5
Okay.
because I know the car inside is amazing, but now I know what I want to see.
Yes.
So it's a 5.
Okay. And how about the service? The service thing that the people served you in the customer service and everything.
It's my first visiting Audi shop, but as far as 5 too.
Okay.
It is.
And the ambience, the environment, is it calm? Is it trendy? What would you give it if I ask you one word for it?
Relaxing.
Relaxing. Very good. And how about the location? So it's just situated at the Green Park tube station. Do you think it's a good location to be in, or do you think it would have been better somewhere else?
It's a pretty good location because it's close to one of the other big shops.
Okay. And how about the car selection procedure? I mean, I know you have used the configurator now. So how do you think it's convenient for car selection, or is it difficult because you can't see the cars, can't see the cars, as in there are quite a few stock of cars, but still, what do you think about the selection of cars?
The fourth cars right here.
Yes.
It's good, but where's the choosing?
Yeah.
Where's the big car? It's all like the same 4 cars, a normal car, this is a fast car, and this is a sports car. But where's the big car?
Oh, okay.
I would like to see that and live it.
Fair enough. Yeah, that's what will help us. Yeah. Thank you. And if I ask you about this Audi City, do you perceive this as a dealership which is focused on sale, or do you think it's a brand/product experience thing?
This is a brand, I guess.
Yeah. So they make you experience the thing.
Yeah, it's
Then
feeling
selling.
the relaxing room is pretty smooth.
Okay. And would you like visiting this Audi City again?
Definitely.
And if in some other country, would you like to visit
Sure.
it again?
Sure.
Maybe in Denmark?
Maybe in Denmark.
Good. And how about your online thing, as in, do you purchase online?
I do.
Normally?
I do.
Okay, what kind of items normally do you purchase online?
Almost everything.
Almost everything.
Clothes, shoes, computers, watches,
Watches.
stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind purchasing a car online sometime in the future?
It would be Nah, I don't think I want to do that.
Okay.
I don't think I want to do that. I would like to see it in front of me.
Okay. And how about the test drive thing? How important do you think is test drive of a car?
It's really important. It's really important because it may look good, but it's not the same as it's drive, as good as it look.
Mhm.
So I would test drive it before I buy it. Sure.
Okay. And as you mentioned, you have been, buying things online. So I can see that you must be doing it through mobile, through desktop
For sure.
websites and everything. So I have a few elements in mind.
Yeah.
You know, specifically because this is the showroom and I'm gauging the customer touch points for cars in specific. So these are the 5 touch points. If I ask you to rank them in order of what you would look first, you know, what will impact you the most out of these 5. So there's desktop website search. Would you go for that first, or mobile applications or mobile websites, you know, browsing websites on the mobile, or is it these particular elements as in the personal digital points and the video walls? What do you think has the most impact out of these 5 in your purchasing behavior?
The personal is
The personal digital points.
yeah, it's the best one, I guess.
It's the best one.
Yeah, and then the
Followed by-
large display. 'Cause
Okay.
it's still like live. Then definitely the mobile app, because everyone has a mobile app in their pocket.
Mm-hmm.
Then the website,
Mm-hmm.
and then the mobile web.
Okay. And have you used any Audi web application on your smartphone ever?
No,
Any other car or applications that you have?
no.
Oh,
Only a used car selling site
Okay.
on my phone. Yeah,
Okay.
a Danish one.
Okay. And what do you think about this online? This is the configurator that we have here. We do have